Howdy, y'all. This is Mitchell Moore, pastry chef and restaurateur, about to sit down to a wonderful meal of chicken strips, but these were not purchased at a store. These are obviously homemade, which you can tell just by looking at them. However, I am missing the sauce. Now, a lot of you think of like Cane's as the greatest chicken strips ever. Totally fine. You are welcome to your opinion. Some people think that the chicken is okay, but the sauce is really what makes it. I am of that opinion as well. But I'm not going to sit down and eat some homemade chicken strips and then run out and buy cane sauce. Instead, I'm just going to make it. 4 ingredients. A little mayonnaise. And again, I'm making this for me, so I'm not going to make some huge, massive amount. So probably, what is that? A tablespoon of mayonnaise. And then a little ketchup, probably a couple of teaspoons. Let's see. And it's really more of a color thing. You don't want it to be too pink, you know? All right. Looking good. And then, what is this? Garlic salt. It says coarse ground with parsley. The exact thing that you need. And this is going to be a fair amount too, probably about a teaspoon. And then about a teaspoon of seasoned pepper. This is the best part. And stir that up. Yep, you can already tell from the speckled nature of the sauce that we are hitting on all cylinders here. And there we go, our homemade cane sauce. I actually use this on boiled shrimp, or the potatoes that come in boiled shrimp, or a baked potato. My mom made this sauce. This is her creation, and it wasn't until 40 years later, when Cane's came around, that we realized, oh, that's kind of like our sauce. So we call this Mama's boiled shrimp sauce, but it is fantastic and you will love it. So give it a shot. Go feed your family.